Hello friends, welcome to Science Land. I'm Nikita and today we are going to talk about biosynthesis of PHBV. But before starting the video, I request you to subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Let's start. PHBV meaning poly 3-hydroxybutyrate co-3-hydroxyvalerate. It is a polyhydroxyalkanoate, meaning it is a copolymer of two substances, 3-hydroxybutyrate and 3-hydroxyvalerate. So, the biosynthesis of PHBV is kind of similar to biosynthesis of PHB. The video is there in the card. If you want, you can check it out. Okay, so there are two parts in this pathway. The first part, which is kind of similar to PHB, is the substrate here is two acetyl coenzyme A molecules. How acetyl coenzyme A produced? Usually from glucose by the process of glycolysis. So I will take 2 units of acetyl coenzyme A. The enzyme here is known as beta ketothiolase. It is also known as PHA. Okay. The molecules will undergo condensation to give me acetoacetyl coenzyme A. Now this acetoacetyl coenzyme A will be reduced because reduction by the enzyme called as acetoacetyl coenzyme A reductase. It is also known as PHAB, and it will produce 3-hydroxybutyryl coenzyme A. Okay. Here we will put this compound on hold. On the other hand, my another substrate, which is the most important, is propionyl coenzyme A. The propionyl coenzyme A will not combine or condense with another molecule of propionyl coenzyme A. Instead, it will be propionyl coenzyme A, one molecule, and acetyl coenzyme A, another molecule. Okay. Now, this propionyl coenzyme A is derived from what source? So, basically, it is from propionic acid. What is propionic acid? It's a fatty acid. Oxidation of fatty acid will give you propionyl coenzyme A and acetyl coenzyme A. Just to note, the fatty acid needs to be an odd number fatty acid. Let's suppose the propionic acid is not there. So there are other compounds like amino acids, for example, isoleucine or threonine. All these compounds will undergo oxidation and it will give you propionyl coenzyme A. Now, these two compounds will condense by an enzyme called as beta ketothiolase. This enzyme is same as this, but the source of this enzyme is different. That's why it is known as BTKB. This is the major difference between the biosynthesis of PHBV and PHB. The beta ketothiolase is known as BTKB. Okay, it will give me a compound called 3-ketovaleryl coenzyme A after condensation. Okay, now this compound called 3-ketovaleryl coenzyme A will be reduced because the second step is reduction. Now this reduction is done by the same enzyme which is used here, acetoacetyl coenzyme A reductase. It will be giving me a compound called 3-hydroxyvalerate coenzyme A. Okay, now the enzyme which comes into picture is PHB synthase. Normally, what it does is, if this enzyme has 3-hydroxybutyryl coenzyme A as a substrate, it will produce PHB. We do not want PHB, do we? No. The enzyme PHB synthase will take this compound, 3-hydroxybutyryl coenzyme A, and it will take 3-hydroxyvalerate coenzyme A. It will combine both the molecules to produce poly 3-hydroxybutyrate co-3-hydroxyvalerate. Simple. So this enzyme is actually kind of dual player. If it gets this compound, it will produce PHB. But if it gets this compound and this compound both, it will produce PHBV. Simple. PHB synthase is a kind of enzyme which does not use ATP molecule to produce or to synthesize a compound. Okay, and obviously this is done because the polymerization is there and both these molecules will be combined to give you PHBV. Let's talk about BTKB. The BTKB was found in R. eutropha. Okay, this enzyme is very specific 2-propionyl coenzyme A. If you put this enzyme here in front of 2-acetyl coenzyme A molecules, it won't condense. The specificity is for propionyl coenzyme A molecule. If the propionyl coenzyme A is not there, these two subsequent compounds will never be formed. So this enzyme is very important. So that is the biosynthesis of PHBV. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye-bye.